Why does your scanner show the P2146 engine code? What does it mean? P2146 is a diagnostic trouble code for Fuel Injector Group A supply voltage circuit open. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected the Fuel Injector Group A supply voltage circuit is open. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel injector, damaged wiring, loose or corroded connectors, faulty PCM, power supply issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Ram, GMC Chevrolet, VW, Audi, Ford, Mercedes Sprinter, Peugeot, Alfa Romeo, Nissan, Saab, Mitsubishi, etc. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.